the Deik sweeper. The handle here, as you can see, folds down. Just snaps up into place. This red handle right here, you push that button to fold it back down. It comes with a nice charging base. With 2 attachments that attach to the charging base. As the sweeper charges, the lights here flash. When all 3 lights are fully lit, you know your battery's completely charged. There's a button here that says handheld. You push it to take this part out, and you got a little dust buster. And it easily snaps back into place. I'm using it as a full sweeper. It has very good suction. There's some buttons here. Turn the on or off, and the plus or minus is to change the degree variation of suction. And the very bottom button is turn the brush on and off. And when you're using it just as a handheld, of course this is your on-off button, and this button you use to be able to empty the contents out. It does have a HEPA filter, and they give you an extra HEPA filter. This is a very nice little upright / handheld sweeper.